Best eSIM in Costa Rica. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we'll compare a lot of different platforms according to their prices and coverage. And also I'll show you the way of how to get 10% discount on the best platform for buying eSIM in Costa Rica. So I've compared everything before recording this video, and I can definitely say that the cheapest one and the best one is Maya Mobile. So firstly, with the coverage, we can see that a lot of territories like on Costa Rica had 5G data, which is insanely good. For example, you won't be able to find this information for other countries, for other territories on other platforms. So it's pretty cool. And the other territories here is covered with 3G, so it's not that bad at all. The next thing is prices and plans. So if we're going to search for Costa Rica prices, we can find that firstly, we can change the number of days we are going to stay in, like 5, 10, 15, 30 days, which is insanely good. So you won't be able to customize this information, for example, on Airelo. Let's try to search for it. So here we only have like 4 different plans, and the biggest one is like 5 gigabytes for 1 month, and we'll have to pay $31. For example, for 5 gigabytes on Maya, we'll have to pay $27. And if you're going to use my link in the description, you'll get 10% off. So you'll have to pay even less than $25. You can save like $6 easily, which is really good, really good. And if you decided to use Maya Mobile, you can use the link. You'll come to this page. Then you can select the necessary plan with the necessary amount of days. Click on Activate Now. Then we can scroll down, click on Review and Pay. And after that, you'll have to create an account with your email, basically nothing really hard. So then you can add your credit or debit card, use PayPal or Google Pay, and then just pay with necessary service. After that, you'll receive your QR code on your email. Hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, subscribe. Goodbye.